What's good, y'all? So I'm ugly right now. Like, I look so bad. Just kidding. I look like a I'm a 4 right now.
Shit.
Shut up, bro. Like, goddamn.
I mean,
Always talking all that shit.
I can talk whatever that.
So since you guys are gonna be part of the family, that's what you're gonna get used to, okay? She's always gonna be in the back talking all that shit and stuff. So
I always talk whatever.
yeah, so right now, if you
if
see my Instagram, you probably like know where I'm at, or you guys probably know already. Like, I'm always at the mom.
You're posting this video like 3 weeks later.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Shut up, no, I'm not.
Bitch,
Okay, look, guys, I vlogged. Wait, hold on. I was filming a video about how I got cheated on, stuff like that, how I found out. But the video, like, I don't know, it was all over the place. Like, I wasn't talking, like, explaining things right.
In other words, she was fake.
That wasn't gonna happen, and then I was like, the video's not too good enough for somebody to sit there and watch, you know. So I was just like, I'm gonna make something up, like, do something that's something good to look at, cause I like looking at good things.
You don't know what she's talking about either. Shit.
Okay, go over here.
So right now I'm in the car waiting for my mom.
Y me cobró, compré un choras y estaban a $4.99. Supuestamente $10.99.
What the hell?
Y le digo, pero todos tienen $4.99. No, aquí me marca $10.99. Dijo que cobrármelo así, me lo cobró. Y ya no quedó a gusto, dije no.
No te sentiste que
Ajá, entonces,
sentiste que era bien lo que hizo.
Ajá, lo que ella me estaba cobrando más. Y ya vine un señor ahí de los que trabajan ahí, le dije, oye, le dije, ¿cuánto cuesta $10.99 o $4.99? Dijo, $4.99 es la semifinal. Dijo, porque allá me lo cobraron a $10.99. Le dije, la mayoría pinche vieja cabrona.
Alright, guys, so
You look like my foot.
oh, like so cute, you saw that shit. I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm just hold on, let me get it. Yes, sir. What's eating healthy, y'all? What's eating healthy? I could never. But the lines, though, the lines be killing me. The lines be killing me about this place. If you know me, I always get pink lemonade or regular lemonade, so who's ready for this? I know I look bad right now, but baby, I don't know what I'm doing. Too slow if you don't get it. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I opened it and I took one. I was just calm. Bro, they look like a piñata that's been broken. So yeah, last time I took one was when I was with my ex, and then it was a big ass cookie, and he gave me like, I'm not gonna lie, guys, like the piece was like probably this, a little bit bigger or something. It was that big. And what's it called? So anyway, so he came over, he dropped it off, and then he's like, here, because I would be like, and he's like, here, and I yeah, I had it, and I was waiting till like the nighttime. I'm like, it's about to go up, this and that, with the whoop. So then he starts telling me, like, it was already dark, and he starts telling me like, don't eat the whole thing, it hits, it's this and that. And I'm like, probably doesn't, you know, probably just lying. And he's telling me, I'm here at the bus stop and it's barely hitting, and it's hitting. I was like, alright, well, it's too late, I already took the whole damn thing. And then look, guys, I got my new receiver, but I'm so happy. I took it. I was just like on my phone waiting for it to hit, and I'm like, this is not hitting. Like, he was lying, you know. And I was dancing like in my room. I think I was home alone or in the room alone. I don't know. No, actually, yeah, I was in the room alone. So I was in the room and I just started dancing, having my own little party and stuff. And then my heart starts racing out of nowhere because I was shaking that thing. I was like, you know. So my heart starts racing fast. I'm like, okay, I need to sit down. And I started sitting down. And I'm like, okay, I'm not getting up no more. So I laid down, and then I was on my phone chilling for a bit. And I felt that shit. Like, I don't know, y'all. Like, my legs just started moving. Like, if I was riding a bicycle or something, I was like, what is the hell? I was just laughing. Like, I felt like I was just happy. And then I started closing my eyes. I felt like I was on a roller coaster. I started closing my eyes, and I felt like I was in a roller coaster, guys. Like, some takeoff type of shit. I would close my eyes, and I was like in this little cast. Oh my god, yo.
Not a casket, yo. I'm in a box. That's crazy.
Imagine myself like being in a little casket and just a roller coaster. Like, the roller coaster was in space, so everything around me, like, I'll see stars and stuff, and I'm like rolling around in the roller coaster, just me. And I'm like, this is so crazy. I was just laughing the whole time. I was just like, with my legs in the bed, like if I was riding a bicycle, and I was just laughing. My phone kept going like this. You guys know, like, it was right here in my face, and it kept going like, I was laughing at that thing. Right? And I get a phone call from my dad or my stepmom. My mom or my stepmom or my dad. I don't know. So then my dad, or whoever it was, they started telling me, are you ready? I'm like, ready for what? Oh, you have a dentist appointment today at 9. It's 7. You guys, they called me at 7. They always pick me up early because they stay far away, and plus traffic, yeah, it'd just be far as hell. So I was like, yeah, I'm just waking up right now. So then I was like, damn, like, I hang up the phone, like, damn, I gotta get ready. I was still, my eyes were like this, like, low as hell. So then, like, I started getting ready. They pick me up. We go to the dentist. I forgot that dentist part, honestly, y'all. I really did. But then my dad, he just kept looking at me, like, the whole time. He was just like, and I tried to, like, avoid him, like, by looking around and stuff. And then after the dentist, we go to this water place, like, where they sell aguas frescas. Like, if you don't know what that aguas frescas is, it's like Starbucks, Mexican Starbucks. Your vanilla bean could be horchata. I'm dead ass. Your lemonade, whatever you guys got going on, what the hell is that drink? Passion fruit, whatever, could be Jamaica, y'all. I'm not even lying. Check it out. So anyways, we were at this place, and then I'm looking at the menu, and I'm like I don't know what to pick, where to start. And I told my dad, I'm like, oh, just give me something, like, you pick, like, something that's good, whatever. He's like, okay. And then, yeah, he ordered my drink. And then after that, we go home. They started talking about going to Knott's. So then, I think my dad had to go back to work or something. He only went with me to the dentist. Y'all seen it? We were at Knott's. Oh my god, I don't even remember, y'all. Like, I have videos of me sitting down and, like, with like a scar on the side. Oh my god, that scar was so funny. So yeah, when we got lost, my stepmom kept looking at me the whole time. And I'm like, wow. Like she wouldn't stare and be like, but she'll be like, you know, like something's up with you. Like, I forgot what else happened, but I remember going to Knott's. It was crazy. I don't think I got on some good rides though. Oh yeah, I know why I was there. Okay, because my brother, my little baby brother, he was just getting, he still has cancer, but he was like his first stages and everything, and my dad was like, okay, so he won't be able to go to Knott's no more, so you guys have to go. Yep, that's like what pretty much what happened the first time. Alright, I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm gonna get ready to do my hair, and I'll get back at you guys. I was on the monkey app, like, you know, I was like, what's going on right here? And then I was on the monkey app, some guy, like, oh my god, he was like, no booby gang, no booby gang. I was like, damn, I bet my boobs are bigger than your nutsack and shit. What the fuck? Ever since that guy told me, like, I have no boobs, I was like, I need to get them done ASAP. Like, I need my money. Just kidding. I'll catch you guys later when it hits. Hola, and when I'm ready. Bye.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's ASMR. Psych. Guys, I think it's hitting. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but I mean, what the? I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but I repeat, I think it's hitting. I don't know why I'm whispering. Let's listen to some music. No copyright.
Next song.
I was walking around the mall, and everywhere, like, I'll stand, I'll be like, grr, grr, grr. And my sister was like, shut up, damn. And I'm like, grr. Nope, we gonna do this for real. I think it's hitting hard on some shit. I had no fucking watch out. And no mic. Yo, look. Hey, turn up. And then I grab it again, like nothing happened. The sound you heard it first right here in Carlos channel. Yes, sir. I'm stupid. You guys, oh my god. I'm so tough. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Sorry, that's just crazy. Dude, you want me to tell you something crazy? Fuck, I forgot that. Hey, what's up, you guys? So, I was on live and some of you were there and seen the situation that I was going through. Nah. Yeah. Time was going by so slow, guys. I was
Oh no, that's just crazy. Got my ex calling me, trying to be with me. I didn't want to share none of my videos because look how I look. I look like I have no teeth. Like a grandma, like, I don't know, you guys, just look. So, you guys, I'm faded. I'm legal now. I can have sugar daddies and all that. That's crazy. I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm funny. I hope my mama didn't hear that because I don't have no door. Damn, my sister does look comfortable laying down. And so would I. Alright guys, I'm gonna edit this video and hopefully you guys like this video. Yep. Aww, I like these natural looks. Oh, maybe I'm just too faded. No, I like this natural look. Bye.